It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be testing out the Morphe x Jeffree Star Artistry palette, which is so beautiful. It's got virtually any colour you could create any look with. Absolutely stunning. There's obviously quite a few pinks in there. There's a couple of what look like foiled glitters, a couple of quite a few shimmers. So yeah, exciting. So if you fancy watching that, then stay tuned. Right, so I've already done my base. I'm just concentrating on eyes today. So base is completely done. Everything I've used I'll pop in the description box below, and I've also put some P.Louise 0.5 on my lids as well as a base. So I think, looking at this, and something I haven't actually done on my channel yet is a more purple look. So I'm going to go for that. So I think in my crease, I'm just going to warm up with this. No, I'm not. I'm going to go with this one here called Back, that I've just plonked my finger in. So I'm going to use this fluffy brush that I got in a Naked Smoky palette. I'm going to use the fluffy end of that one. Just taking a bit on my brush. A mirror would help. Okay, and then on this part here of my eye, so the outer corner, I'm going to go in with this one here called, I think it's Mogul or Mogul. So I'm going to take that one. Stay there. I'm going to go in with this fluffy Sigma brush, Buff and Blend. Okay, and then I'm going to buff that out with my Eye Sweet brush. Okay, it's a really pretty colour actually. Then I'm going to go in with some of this one here, Pink Fleet, and I'm going to concentrate that just in front of that shade there, so more on the centre. Yeah. Is it alright? And then I'm just going to blend that as well. Think they're gonna wake me down, 'cause I don't like holding on to all of these feelings. It's not an awful lot dissimilar when it's on to the other one actually. I thought it would be a little bit brighter than that, but that's fine. Right, and then on the very inner part, I think I'm going to go for this really nice coppery shade here called Girrrl. I'm going to take this brush here. This is the this is actually the concealer brush from Sigma. I'll try and wet that. It's a bit more shimmery than I thought, so it's not really going on very well. If not, I shall try the finger. It's alright. Oh, at least you can say that I'm trying. I wanna get lost in the storm. No conversations I have with myself. It's not quite as shimmery as I'd like, so I'm just going to go in with my, I'm going to use my little finger. I have just done my nails, so they're a bit longer, so I don't know if I'm going to quite get in. In and out, gotta let it go. When it rains, let it pour. Getting lost in the way. Okay, so like that. Then I'm going to just go in that crease again and slightly above with, I'm going to go back into this one here again, back into back. Right. Like that. Okay, and then underneath I am just going to go in with, quite like the look of this one here, Don't Know Her. So I'm going to take that underneath and see what that's like. Has got a slight shimmer on it, so I'm going to use my pencil brush and I'm going to wet it. Like that. And then on the very inner corner I'm just going to go in with I think I'm going to go in with this one here, Boss Angels, which is more of a matte coppery bronzy colour. Oh, that's quite pigmented actually. It's quite nice, like that. And then on my very inner corner, I think I'm going to take this one here called 2, which looks really pretty. And I'm just going to take the other end of this smoky brush and wet that again. The shimmers definitely need dampening down. A little self-control, even if I get exposed, and it's alright. Oh, at least you can say that I'm trying. It's a bit better. Okay, like that. Okay, so I'm just going to go and do the other eye and itch my nose. I'm in hay fever season, and pop some mascara. What the hell was that? Pop some mascara on, and then I will be back. Okay, so there is my final look. Mascara on. This is actually the mascara that I got from Shein that I did in my last tutorial. Amazing, honestly. It's a bit like Benefit They're Real. It's quite plasticky, but as I wore it throughout the day, and I've worn it a few times since, it does not transfer. I get terrible trouble because my lashes are quite long. The bottom ones really transfer onto the top of my cheek. This doesn't do it at all, and it is so easy to come off as well. Brilliant. But yeah, so there's my finished look. I have to say, with regards to I like it and I will use it. The colours are nice, but the shades that, hold it up a bit more, like these two that I used here, I mean, this one looks lighter, looks a lot lighter actually than this one, but when they were on, they were really quite similar. In fact, so similar that if you look, this one I didn't even use this colour, I just used the darker one, but you cannot really tell. I found them quite hard to layer as well. For some reason they wouldn't seem to stick to the other colour, so they were really nice and blendable. They blended really nice, but they didn't seem to layer as well. Whether it was something I'm doing wrong, I don't know. If there is something you think I'm doing wrong, please let me know in the comments below, because that would make my life easier. But yeah, and the shimmers didn't quite go on as well as I'd like either. I tried to wet them, I tried to use my finger, but yeah. But I mean, apart from that, as I say, the pigment in the matte colours was lovely, and I am still happy with it, and I will still use it. There was just a few little bits that I just had trouble with. I don't know why. As I say, if it was something I'm doing wrong, please tell me. But yeah, so there we are. There is my review of the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette. I will link everything else that I've used and all the colours that I used in the description box below. So if you want to know what I've used, then obviously check that out. And yeah, thanks for watching. So obviously if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot, and don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Keeping quiet 'cause it's all I know.